वेलकम टू ग्यास क्लासेस फॉर मैथमेटिक्स। आज हम लोग क्लास 12th वेक्टर अलजेब्रा पार्ट 6 करेंगे। चलो देखते हैं पार्ट 6 की इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन क्या है। तो पार्ट 6 के अंदर आप देखोगे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा है फाइंड द प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ द वेक्टर ए वेक्टर गिवन 2i plus 3j plus 2k on the vector b वेक्टर गिवन i plus 2j plus k। दैट मीन्स ये क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि फाइंड द प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ वेक्टर ए वेक्टर की प्रोजेक्शन निकालो ऑन द वेक्टर बी। तो आप जानते हो कि ऐसे क्वेश्चन के लिए हमारा क्या फॉर्मेट है, ध्यान दो। सो आंसर फर्स्ट इज प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ द वेक्टर ए ऑन बी। सो प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ वेक्टर ए on vector b equal to a vector dot b vector and divided by magnitude of b vector. This is the formula. Projection of a vector on b vector is what? A vector dot b vector divided by magnitude of b vector. तो चलो देखते हैं। a vector is given what? 2i, that is 2 unit vector I plus 3j, 3 unit vector j plus 2 unit vector k. This is the value of a. So this into dot product of what? B vector. So b vector is what? Unit vector I plus 2 into unit vector j plus unit vector k. So this is a vector dot b vector. Now magnitude of vector b. So what is vector b? This is the b vector, right? So I plus 2j plus k is the b vector. So magnitude is what? That is square root of coefficient of unit vector I, that is 1 square, plus coefficient of unit vector j, that is 2 square, plus coefficient of unit vector k, that is 1. This is 1 square, right? Now अब जानते हो that means this vector dot this vector, डॉट प्रोडक्ट में बताया था इससे पहली क्लास में भी कि डॉट प्रोडक्ट में i डॉट i, j डॉट j और k डॉट k की वैल्यू 1 होती है। और अगर i के साथ i का डॉट j के साथ लो तो 0 आएगा, i का डॉट k के साथ लो तो 0 आएगा। ये डॉट प्रोडक्ट में सेम यूनिट वेक्टर लेते हैं, दैट इज 2 unit vector I into unit vector I, that is give only 2. In the same way 3 unit vector j dot 2 unit vector 3 2 ja 6. In the same way 2 unit vector k dot k unit vector k. So 2 into 1 2, right? And now divided by 1 square plus 2 square. So this is 1 plus 4 plus 1, so that is 6. So this is what? Root under 6. So this is 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10. So this is 10 upon root 6. This is the right answer. So projection of vector A on vector B is what? A vector dot B vector divided by magnitude of vector B. So A vector is what? 2i plus 3j plus 2k. And B vector is what? I plus 2j plus k. And divided by magnitude of B vector. So B vector is this. So coefficient of unit vector I, that is 1. So 1 square plus coefficient of unit j, that is 2. 2 square. Coefficient of unit k 1, that is 1 square. So now in dot product we go for I dot I only. So 2i into I, that is 2. In the same way 3 into 2, that is 6. 2 into 1, that is 2. So 6 plus 2 8 plus 2 10 by root 6 is your right answer. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। Now there is a question number 2. क्वेश्चन 2 आपका फाइंड मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए वेक्टर माइनस बी वेक्टर if two vectors a and b, if two vectors a vector and b vector are such that magnitude of a vector 2, magnitude of b vector 3 and a vector dot b vector is 4, then we have to find what? Magnitude of a vector minus b vector. तो ऐसे क्वेश्चन का इजी तरीका क्या, ध्यान दो, that is a vector minus b vector whole square equal to what? Magnitude of A vector square plus magnitude of B vector square plus 2 into A vector dot B vector. A minus B vector का whole square is what? Magnitude of A square, that is magnitude of B square plus 2 into A vector dot B vector. Now आप जानते हो magnitude of A. So here in question given A and B are cited, magnitude of A is 2, magnitude of B is 3. So this is given 2. So this is 2 square. Again this is given 3. So this is what? 3 square plus 2 into A dot B is given 4. So this is 4. So our answer is what? 2 square 4, 3 square 9 plus 4 to the 8. So this is how much? 9 plus 4, that is 13 plus 8, 21. So this is 21. So that is we have to find A minus B. So this is A vector minus B vector equal to what? A square root of 21. This is the correct answer. So very simple question. Find magnitude of A vector minus B vector when the two vectors A vector and B vector cited. Magnitude of A2, magnitude of B3 and A vector dot B vector is given 4. For this type of question, just square this number. So this is magnitude of A vector minus B vector whole square equal to magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus 2 into A vector dot B vector. So magnitude of A is given 2, so that is 2 square. Magnitude of vector B given 3, that is 3 square, and 2 multiply A vector dot B vector is 4, so 2 into 4. So now 2 square 4, 3 square 9 and 4 into 2 8. So 9 plus 4 13 plus 8 21. So magnitude of A vector minus B vector equal to what? Root under 21. This is the correct answer. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. This is the third question. Third question क्या है? If A vector is a unit vector and x vector minus A vector dot x vector plus A vector equal to 8, then find the magnitude of x vector, right? So if A is a unit vector, तो आप जानते हो यूनिट वेक्टर का मतलब क्या है कि द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ यूनिट वेक्टर इज व्हाट? 1. So A vector is a unit vector, so magnitude of A vector equal to 1. That is value of A is what? 1. 1 equal to A. Now x, we have to find x vector minus A vector and dot x vector plus A vector. This is given 8. Now you know x vector minus A vector into x vector plus A vector equal to what? So this is magnitude of x square. So this is magnitude of x square minus magnitude of A square. This equal to what? 8. So here magnitude of x square minus magnitude of A vector is 1. So we can write here 1 square. Magnitude of A vector is what? 1. So this is 1 square, that is 1. This equal to 8. So magnitude of x vector square equal to what? 9. So magnitude of x equal to a square root of 9. So this is the magnitude of the vectors. We take only positive sign. So this equal to 3. So our correct answer is magnitude of x bar equal to 3. So for this type of question, simple trick. If A is a unit vector, so you know unit vector is a that vector whose magnitude is 1. So magnitude of A vector is 1. Now we have to find x vector minus A dot x vector plus A equal to 8 given. Then we have to find magnitude of x vector. So x vector minus A dot x vector plus A equal to 8. So this is x square minus magnitude of A square equal to 8. So this is magnitude of x square minus magnitude of A already given 1 because A vector is a unit vector. So this is 1. So magnitude of x square is 8 plus 1 9. So magnitude of x equal to what? A square root of 9. You know a square root of 9 is plus minus 3, but here we are taking magnitude of x. So this is only positive, so our correct answer is 3. तो इस तरह से हमने ये 3 क्वेश्चन को बिल्कुल इजी तरीके से सॉल्व किया है. इसी तरह से नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेंगे पार्ट नंबर 7 में. थैंक यू.